Yo, massive wagwan. Hope everybody are doing well. You see, boy, dancehall is never a boring place, don't. So I'm sitting when I say I go on in a dancehall. I say Spice do a new tune ready, and it look like she are going in the future and not talk about the past. But it look like more for the past a antar more than anything else. See, because we see a bag of things that come out and a bag of people that come out and attack on things. See? She and our so-called Obeah man. You understand? We see it so the aquarium turn over. The aquarium fall off the table and mash. And so fish start to flatter. Because no water no dey there for them survive, you know. See? But we see it, you know, man, as we know, say, certain little things where they go on, it have to come to an end, and some might look orchestrated to me still. But I know why they want them, or they want to think still, but to me, some might look orchestrated. See? But at the same time, we see Spice attacks and things with her song. Remember RT Boss when come out and him claim say him a work Obeah for Spice. And the Obeah when they work, I went for keep Spice in the limelight and give her the popularity and give her some hit song, and in return she went to do a collab with him. But anyway, it look like Spice name bother do it. So you know the thing what me say I go on in a song. Me hear Spice I say the Obeah name work. John was I tell us say, hey, Jamaican people, hey, we are so special kind differently still, you know. See? But me notice that the argument a Obeah, it a come over and over, it a take it surface in a dancehall. See? And we hear the song them a sing nowadays, where the youth them a talk enough about Obeah. See? We see it in a social circle where we see man like all L.A. Lewis who claim say him is a Obeah man. Me see him all about a place. In a people cemetery, a desecrate people grave, a take out skull and all kind of madness. I don't know if the people them a tie with some things where you understand. Cause they look at argument here, you know. Them look at Obeah and voodoo thing, you know. Saying some things where people used to just whisper around, and you understand, around the back of the yard and that 1 3 hours so you hear people talk about them sitting there. But now they're sitting there come out in the open. And we hear people accuse other people in the dancehall business of work in witchcraft. See? As we say, Boom Dynamite, rest in peace, Boom Dynamite. But in a one Boom Dynamite interview, so people no can go over teach them channel and watch a full interview. A one nice interview. I go back go watch the interview the whole pattern. See? Because I just enjoy watching that interview, that particular interview there. See? But Boom Dynamite make some claim where you must say a witchcraft mashup scare them crew. See? So that a one out of many witchcraft argument we are here a surface in a dancehall. See? And dancehall artist name a call for witchcraft. See? We see Lady Saw come out and she says something same way to where she are into people. You understand? I try off her with them kind of spiritual thing. Because when I hear them talk about spiritual this and spiritual that, and that them talk about. Them talk about witchcraft. See? And it look like dancehall rampant with witchcraft activity, differently still. Like the players in it, as much as they want to give the front, like them good with each other. It look like them a try craft off of each other. Hard hard. Seeing cause so much complaint can make and nothing no gusso like. You understand? Me I'll say and another just dance all alone, you know. Cause me see even Everton Blender, you know, when I interview them same way. Uno can go check out the interview the same way too. You understand? Cause as me say, them interview them over teach them where him talk to them and then you understand? Them say people try offer them in a music business with witchcraft. See? And then we see Jamil where they same way too. See? Jamil got through a little vibes where you understand it look like I say him endure certain kind of thing. And him come out and him talk. Him say then try offer him with witchcraft. See? So a lot of people in the dancehall business, a lot of people in the music business seem to, you understand, a hint at people in the business where I try offer them with them kind of craft. See? And we hear more and more as we hear with Valiant have one of the artists where you say witchcraft song them boy. See how you do. You see it and the whole argument just get open. You understand? And yeah. As them say information age we live in still. Yeah man. And it's a deep rooted thing in our culture still, you know. You understand? And we kind of look down upon them kind of things. Maybe because of true we come through one Christian society and Christianity tell us them things they are devil activity and them kind of sitting there. But me know say it's a deep rooted thing in our culture and people practice them sitting there. See, because me give you one little story differently still. See, for those who don't know, me as a youth, I grew up in a country still. You understand? And when me a little youth, we didn't know one man in the community. See? I don't know if me call the man name still. Because, you understand, he not give me no consent for talking his story. So, I don't feel like I should call his name. But in the community, them know him as Bongo. That are one of the name what they know him as Bongo. But him have other name differently still. And before this whole Bongo thing come on, he's a man where, you understand, ordinary construction worker in our community. Everybody in our community, where me come from and know exactly what me I talk about and who me I talk about. See? Because why me I say it look like them people are tied with some things differently still, you know. Where you understand? We understand certain energy and we understand certain mystical power differently still. You see, because mystic they practice for a long time. I know just know, but it kinda take me aback to see how open them things here in the public, you know, and me know say certain things can have one bad effect on it still. So make we continue tell you the story, you know. So as a little youth differently still, me used to make a money. Me used to hustle, like, you understand? Because in the community where me live out on the front, out on the road. You understand the typical country settings. You have a community and you might go down in some hills and valley, but me live out on the front. You understand? Like, so me used to just go to the square, like, just lurks on the one little pear tree right out by the front of the square of the community where me live. Seeing, and people used to come there. You understand? Like, me I tell you, say, you see, on Saturdays and Sundays, brethren, me I tell you, say, as a little youth, me make money then time there. You see? By in the evening, sometime me all account all me good $350 and they kind of sitting there. You see, and then time the $350 for a little youth different still enough money. So when me go to school, me can, you understand, do extra spending on them kind of sitting there. You see it? So me used to do out on the front and just wait upon people, and people then just walk up and, young man, you know where the physician live? You know the man where they call Bongo? And me I say, yeah man, me know where he live, man. If you no can pay me, me follow on the ground. You see it? And me I tell you, say, me just follow them ground. As soon as me point up at the place, me boom and me gone back out the road again, go wait for the next. You understand? And me used to get me like a $50 and them kind of sitting there. Sometimes $20 and $30 and them kind of sitting there. You see it? And me get me like a hustling. Seeing? So me I tell you, say, in a them day there, the man I want Obeah man, and people, me I tell you, say, people from all over Jamaica, me I tell you. Seeing? Especially on Saturdays and Sundays. Especially on Sunday. I don't know what go on on that day there still, but you see Sundays, trust me I tell you, say, the place busy. Yeah. Alright. One time me a little youth, as me say, me follow people go around there. See? So I go up at the yard one night time, and the man have a little thing like a shed kind of thing, you see? And the people them keep some kind of song service, and them beat them drum and them chant and say what, you understand, quote them Bible scriptures and all kind of stuff. You see it? People did it, and some woman like them and get out in a spirit and all kind of stuff. You see it? I just an activity where it just fascinate you as a little youth. So me did I watch the whole ceremony. You see it? And as me I tell you, say, everybody know the man what me I talk about in our community. You understand? And them time the man, me I think, say, him when they in him early 40s then time. You see it? Yeah. Me think, say, him when they about in his early 40s. So the song service I keep I go on, and me see the man come out in a one red turban, like, you understand, him wrap a turban over his head, and you understand, him come out, and me hear the people them a say, Bongo a come. You understand? But we see this man there, like, but if you understand the story, Bongo is the spirit wine work with. If that makes sense. See it? So people, me just tell you though, what me see as a youth differently still. You see, me don't know how it work or what. But me kind of spook by it as a little youth. I watch them little things and still. You see? So that's why I say, I wonder if we dancehall people them are contribute to some of the upheaval what we see along in our society. You see, because if them practice all of them witchcraft, you know, them invoke spirits, you know, and more time them let go them spirit, because more time they not keep up with the contract, and there's a spirit running wild all about the place, and You understand? Take hold of some youth body and start have them do all kind of madness. I just want theory. You know, if you hold me to it, people. You see it, I just want theory. See it? I just saw me think sometimes still, cause me understand the vibration of it. Anyway, make we continue the story. So me hear the people them a say, Bongo a come. See? And believe me, people, me hear some thing like a ass a chat. Me not see nothing, but me hear like, you know when time a ass a come, brr, brr, brr. Me honestly hear that. See? Anyway, the man go back inside of the hut. See? And him did a chant and a chant and a chant. And me see the man come out back. And the man have a buckler, rare neville, white rum. See? And the man put the buckle, like you hear him when him break the seal, you hear it go clip. You understand? Him break the seal and him put the bottle of rum to his head, bridge, and him not take it out, him not take it down until the rum drain, empty, the bottle empty, him just put the white rum to his head and just drink. See? You see when the man like him turn around, I'm looking at the man face, bridge, and I want all man me I look pan. See? The young man, what me I tell you, say they in their mid-40s or early 40s. Me I looking at his face and one old man me I look pan like one wrinkle up old person, the man. Like he morphed into one, like, you know. As a little youth that spook me differently, people. Me don't tell you now, like. See? Yeah, man. Enough things me see around other place there. Going around other place there and I follow people go around the differently still. Me see some strange activities around us still. See? So people, I want to know if you tell me now in the comment section what you think I go on in a dancehall. You see it like, is this thing like for real? Cause Spicer say the Obeah ain't working. She not say she never try her fight, you know. She just say it never work. See? And one of the things them where me want to ask differently still. Cause watch you now. You no put no business out there in the public. So if you no put it out there in the public, it left to question and scrutiny. So me want to ask one question to you, Spice. When you say the Obeah ain't work, what is it exactly you want to get done? What never happen? Because una talk ambiguous and try to go over people head with some argument, you know. See? But what exactly you wanted to get done that never happened? Me don't like to hear the answer to that question still. See? Because you know, deny it say you understand? In this song, you say the Obeah just never work. The spiritual, I'll know it now. You understand? So, what was it you won't want to get done where you not see happen? See? So, me see you have the little youth you know, and the youth you know, him a out RT and kick off the aquarium off a table. And your little pretty fish them start to flatter all over the place. See, this morning me hear so one of the fish dead. Spice, you have to do better than that enough, Spice. You have your aquarium, you know take care of your aquarium, man. And you understand? You make people just push off the aquarium off the table, sir. See, you have this youth up on the life and him a talk some things about RT. All of a sudden we hear say RT get arrest. Them put out say them want money. And all of a sudden this morning they say RT dead. See it? Some people they tell me what they think I go on differently still, because all of this it sound, you understand, it just sound mix up, and you understand the levels. And the artists them in a dancehall, uno come out and I go on like I say, uno want everybody good. And uno talk about the 90s and this and that and all kind of thing. Uno want to set the wicked against one another. Yeah. And I feel like I say uno contribute to the upheaval what we see in our society. See? Because after, hey, you don't see what I go on. I say the people them, I don't know what kind of God them a talk about, you know. See? I don't know which God them a talk about when you hear them come out and talk about my God this and my God that. See? Because 1 minute you hear the artist a tell somebody say go S your mother. You understand? And I chastise the wicked them and look what go happen to the wicked them and this and that, and just without transition, like 1 second you are talk about S your mother and skin out this and whatever, and just boom, without transition. Look what my God do for me. Look how my God work for me. Look how God this, look how God that. You see? And none of one I don't know God working, because me not see nothing one I do look godly to no different is still. So what kind of God do not praise, so? Hey, that cycle here, it just continue over and over. And you have some little old people. You see when time woman get old, after they run out their youth days and skittle out themselves, they always get overly righteous in their old days. And start talk about this bag of God this and God that and God this and God that. And then soul them a try to find back, you know. You don't see that? A penance them a try for him Lord bring back. See it? A penance them a serve. See it? And then soul them a try to feel for get back. See it? Enough of them a practice some nasty, you understand, some evil sitting them a practice. And if you listen to Lady Saw, they cry out to Jamaican people. And they come like Jamaican people can't see it. She run going to church and I cry out to the church people them, and the church people them start to ignore her. You see it? So it come like I said, she have to come back in the place we start. She wanna get the fight for come clear up the demon, cause watch ya. Jamaican people. And if you stop all they're gonna want to do that with stupidness, man. Why me couldn't can't live and love? When say the cake, I want big old cake where everybody can get a slice. Now that me hear everyone I wanna say now in interview. Seeing? So what is bagger fighting and a bagger old dog, a bagger witchcraft argument, but see it? People, I want to go and bless upon yourself, you know, and I want to subscribe to the channel and make we grow the channel. You see it? Yeah, man. And if you like the video, you can share with your friend them. And when they like, they share the video to his part, it can reach all spice. Because we want to know in the spice. We want to know what you did want to get done. I wonder if that lady saw the Bible. Anyway, people, when they tell me in the comment section what you think and go and bless upon yourself. Yeah, man, I want a lovely day in England today. It's sun out. As you look, I see it, so it look like me a sweat and then kind of sitting there. Yeah, man, for real, man. The sun turn up today and I like it. Yeah. So once I give thanks to the moment, people, and give thanks to you listening. So until the next